Hello, welcome back to Call Clutter Fairy, where I help you get clutter free so that you can live stress free. Your response to the how to organize your craft supplies was such a huge success that I wanted to follow up and give you some more information on how to organize your smaller craft supplies. So let's get started. Likes with likes. I've talked to you before about the importance of getting things together that are similar. So I need you to go into your craft area and pick an area to start pulling out so you can divide these things into the similar categories. So get all of your smalls together so that you know what size container that you need for these things. So take as much space as you need and break them down into each and individual type of craft. Now, if you find that one pile is excessively large, that's when you can break it down even smaller into color or size categories. Same sizes or same colors. With your containers, to get that really clean look that you're striving for, using all of the same sizes for a specific craft item, or folding them in the same way, or using containers that are similar colors are going to give you a much cleaner, streamlined look. If you're using clear containers, just keeping the similar items inside and labeling them is really going to give it that nice, clean, finished look. Small bag storage. This is one of my personal favorites. I like using the small bags, and they come in so many different shapes and sizes. And then they have sheet protectors that come in various areas that are partitioned out so that you can organize things by color, by size, by style. Putting them in a binder then allows you to put them on a shelf. And the great thing is there's so many different sizes of binders, you can really customize this look so that it's easy to grab, it matches your decor, and you always know where your smalls are. Then I found this, which I think is genius. This is a paper towel holder. Now, this would take up a lot of space. However, this would be great for small skeins of thread, for buttons, for stickers. So check out this particular idea. Upcycle containers. I know that getting your crafts organized is a little bit expensive, so I want you to take a look at things that you use on a regular basis that have a set container size and see if it will fit the needs of your smalls. Now, I don't like you trying to make things fit in, but here's some great ideas of suggestions for recycled items that would be great storage in a craft room for small items. Seeing wine racks recycled for crafts to me is genius. I love this one with the cups and all of the pens inside of it. Now, I've had a lot of you asking about washi tape, and when I saw this girl's video, I flipped out knowing that you guys would love her. So I put the video in the description below. I thought it was pretty genius. Use the containers you already have. I know you guys are so crafty and creative, you can always make it look pretty. This one has nothing to do with crafts, but I think it's genius, and I'm doing it this weekend. Store-bought smalls. Your Dollar Trees and discount stores are filled with containers. I always suggest going there first. The quality is good. You get such a variety of sizes and shapes and colors that you should be able to customize it to anything. And let's face it, 10 small containers for $1, you can't lose. Also, don't be afraid to go into other areas. Their office sections, the makeup sections, even these little pill boxes could really help with organizing your small items. And if you dislike the color, you can always spray paint it to match your decor. No digging allowed. This isn't just for little puppy dogs in the garden. When you're going in for your craft items, you don't want to have to disrupt everything on top just to get access. So make sure your storage is shallow so you can easily get to what you need. I suggest storing vertically whenever you can. So here's a large bin that I found at Daiso. The small containers inside just slide in and out, and this allows you to easily get access to things, keep all of the small things separated, and it allows you to label and not have too much visual clutter out if you don't like seeing an array of things. So let me know if you like this in the comment below, but this is one of my favorites, making sure that it is stored vertically and having easy access to these things. These little jars you could just dump out, and of course I love my bags, I use them often. I thought this was genius so that you could still see them, have easy access to them. Label everything. So much time is spent looking for things. Oftentimes, if you have a lot of containers, you might not remember what's in each one. So this is really just a time-saving technique, as well as reminding you where things go afterwards to keep you organized. And there's so many great creative ideas out there. This just helps you to be creative on top of it. Ironically, I was looking for my little plastic bags to show you as an example, and I couldn't find them in my own craft room. And then I look up and I had a label on where I had them all stored. So labeling does help. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Hopefully some of these helped you to organize your small embellishments. If you have something in your craft room that I didn't address, please leave me a comment. Let me know some of the things you're crafting with. I would be happy to research it and either do another video or just let you know through response a suggestion that I have. Make sure you click the like button and subscribe. That tells YouTube that the content I'm providing you is what you're looking for, and it helps me to be able to create more videos. So thank you so much, and I will see you next week. Bye.